So you're looking for a way to get clean water instantly. Having access to clean drinking water is a must for our health. I've got just the thing for you. It's called the Bluevua water filter. It's a water purification system designed for health-conscious homeowners like you. This thing is a total game changer. Let me tell you all about it. The Bluevua water filter has a 6-stage filtration process, which includes a 0.0001 micrometers RO membrane, UV light, and more. It's got a 2-to-1 pure ratio, meaning for every 2 gallons of water that go in, you get 1 gallon of pure clean water out. The filter itself needs to be replaced every 12 to 24 months, which is pretty standard. And the best part, it's WQA certified, so you know it's been tested and approved by a third party. I've been using it at home, and it's been a total lifesaver. No more buying bottled water. I'm really impressed with how well it works. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. The Bluevua water filter is a great investment for anyone who cares about their health. It's easy to use, and the installation process is pretty straightforward. You can have clean drinking water in no time, and that's a great feeling. The specs of this filter are really impressive, with a 6-stage filtration process, 0.0001 micrometers RO membrane, UV light, 2-to-1 pure ratio, WQA certification, and a filter replacement time of 12 to 24 months. These features all work together to provide you with clean and safe drinking water. I'm confident you'll love this product. It's a small investment that can make a big difference. So don't hesitate to try it out. You won't regret it. You can find it online or in stores. It's widely available. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to have clean drinking water at your fingertips. It's a great feeling, and I'm sure you'll love it. The Bluevua water filter is a great tool to help you take care of your health. So go ahead and make the investment in your health and well-being. I'm confident you'll love it, and you'll be glad you made the decision to try it out. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and get your Bluevua water filter today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Remember to take care of your health. It's the most important thing.